What's up guys, it's Big Ben Crypto here, and today we are back again with another video. Now the crypto being featured on today's video is called Astral Farms. Now before I go, let me just state nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Good. So first off, this token or this project has not launched as yet. This project is going to launch tomorrow at 3 GTM. So yeah, let's dive into this project. For me, I believe this, although it's risky, we know all crypto projects are risky. I believe this has huge potential and it will show you why. So let's get into it. Now it says, the galaxy is made of Astral Farms. Trade, earn, and farm Astral on a revolutionary decentralized platform in the Astral Galaxy. So what we're going to do, we're going to head over to more and press docs so we can read a little more about this project. So okay, so it says, this is basically showing you how to connect the Phantom network to your MetaMask, so you won't have to go through this. But so let's go to referral bonus. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy there, bud. Let's see if this is going to happen again. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. I don't know what's happening here, guys, but this will not stop glitching. I don't know, but it says, and this has a very interesting referral bonus reward system. And it says, to reward users who actively promoting the Astral, we will be adding a referral program, and users who successfully referred other users can enjoy an additional 5% of Astral earnings, which is that's good. I like that. Let's head over to next. So the Astral Farms. To reward Astral holders, we will be rewarding holders who stake their tokens and earn interest. The higher the multiplier, as you can see the multiplier is here, the higher the multiplier, the higher the interest earned. Below is a breakdown of the multiplier for each farm for each farm looks like. For what each farm looks like. So you can see for the farm Astral to Phantom, liquidity pool is 100x, which is perfect. For Phantom to Phantom USDT to the FUSDT liquid pool, that is 10x. Phantom to USDC, 10x. Bull to Phantom, 10x. And the wrap ETH to Phantom is 10x as well. Here, as you can see, I'm not too sure if this is going to be exact APR, but I would love it to be. I would love it to be the exact APR, which is 1.6 million APR. I would love that, and I'm pretty sure everybody else will love that as well. But as you can see, this is what it will look like. We will go back on the app to see if there's any more information on the app. The Astral Pools. For those who do not wish to provide liquidity to avoid impermanent loss, you can join the Astral Pools, which is a single-sided staking mechanism. So basically, you wouldn't be staking one coin, which is different from the Astral Farms, where you'll be staking 2 coins. Below are the breakdowns for the Astral Pool. So Astral is a 40x, which is perfect. Phantom is 10x, USDC is 10, USDT is 10, Wrap Bitcoin is 10, Wrap Ethereum is 10, Wrap Mimo is 10, and Wrap Mim is 10 as well. As I said, I would love for the APRs to be these, to be the same as these ones here, especially the USDC. I would love 1.3 million on my USDC. So I hope these APRs really come to fruition. I'm not saying these are going to be, but I would just love for that, you know. I would love for those, for these. Let's go through to the Astral Dividend Pool. A dividend pool is a pool of money that is evenly distributed depending on the amount of funds staked. Astral holders can then stake their Astral to earn USDT, and the higher the Astral stake, the higher the amount of USD can be earned, which is perfect. You know, I believe this can be a very, 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 very good way to earn some massive gains on earn some massive gains and also earn passive income as well. I personally will be investing in this. That is just my take. I'm not pressuring anybody else to invest in it, but that is just what I would be doing. And this is how it looks. When we go back in the app, we will see how these look as well. So let's head over to the tokenomics. As you can see, this is the Astral icon. Tokenomics. Allocation 100% public. Initial liquidity will be locked with rug doc IO. This is great. This is great. See this? With the initial, with the liquidity being locked with the rug.io, which is good. I like to see this. Emission, which is 0.005 astral per second, which is basically 43.2 per day. The dev emission is 10% of emission, which should be burnt when used. The max supply is 5,000 astral. Now, if we do some maths, 5,000 astral is the maximum supply. Transfer tax is 0 for farming, which is so basically transfer tax is 5%. 1% will be burned, the other 4 to the auto liquidity. Let's head over to the contract. So basically here you will have the token address, and you will have the master chef address as well. As you can see, the fair launch is tomorrow at 3 GMT, sorry. The farming begins on the 30th, which is the Sunday at the same 3 GMT. The initial price of the Astral is going to be $100. Well, the initial supply will be 20 Astral. The tokenomics, as we went through this already, 100% will be given to the public, and the basically liquidity will be locked with rug.io. Whale prevention, this is great. Whale prevention. To guard us against whales, users have grown fond of the anti-whale feature from other farms, which put a limit on how much a user can transact per transaction. Similarly, we will be implementing this anti-whale feature with the maximum transaction being capped at 5% of the total supply at any given time. Which is good. Yeah. The rationale behind this is to ensure the price volatility is kept to a minimum, allowing users to get in and out at better rate. So yeah, that's perfect, because at the end of the day, we don't want a huge, let me say, the big boys in the space to come and buy, let me say, 10, 20, percent of, or yeah, 10, 20%, and then, basically raise the price with that, and absolutely, like that, basically the boys won't drown us and leave us small fish down here like me, and probably some of y'all to drown. I mean, although fish can't drown, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Liquidity adding. Liquidity plays a vital role in the yield farms. With higher liquidity in Astral Pools, it will ensure price impact to keep to a minimum. To improve the liquidity for our Astral Pools, we will be adding a feature that will convert a portion of the tokens in each transaction into the Astral to Phantom liquidity pool. 2% of every transaction will be used for adding liquidity to increase the pool, resulting in a better price and lesser slippage. Take note of this. Take note that you will need to up your slippage to at least 5% due to the taxes, which we understand, which is mentioned before. 20% of the liquidity adding will be sent to the dev wallet for funding. Now let's head over to Burns. Now this is my thing. We already have a maximum supply of 5,000 tokens. And with burnings happening as well, guys, I don't think y'all understand what is really going to happen here. I don't think y'all really understand. Burns. We will be burning all Astral tokens in the developer's wallet. On top of that, we will also implement a transfer. This means that 2% of every transaction will be burned automatically. This way, developers won't have to burn the tokens manually, ensuring users that Astral is being burned consistently. Right, so we are now back on the app. As you can see, the home. As you read through this already, the protocol status, the fair launches, as I said, the fair launches tomorrow. The launch price is going to be $100 for one Astral. The initial supply is going to be 20 Astral. The anti-whale limit is 5% of the supply. The maximum supply is 5,000 tokens. Auto liquidity enabled. As you can see here, it says earn Astral. High yield phantom chain. Astral Farms make it easy to earn passive income with your crypto. Start farming with us today. As you can see, farming at Sega Astral to harvest. You'll see Astral in your wallet. and you will see the market cap, the total Astral minted, how much is burned, the circulating supply, and the emission rate. Obviously, you will see the total value lock in here as well tomorrow. This is the referral link, the Astral Farms. So let's see. As you can see, there are no amounts listed in here as yet, but these will be listed hopefully by Sunday. Remember, on Sunday, these will be listed by Sunday, hopefully, and then we can see if this APR is really going to be 1.3 million, and if I pray to God it really is, please, 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 just for me. The Astral Pools, I hope this USDC is 1.3 million as well. I'm hoping. As you can see, this is what I said before. We're gonna have the Astral Pools. We're gonna have Astral, the Rat Phantom, USDC, DAI, FUSDT, and the MIM. The dividends, we went through this already. Where you be basically staking your Astral to earn USDT. The more Astral that you have, the more rewards you will earn. Right, I personally will be investing in this mainly because of the tokenomics with the 500,000. Sorry, I meant to say 5,000. Maximum supply. I believe that is going to pop off. I believe so. I believe this is going to have a very excellent startup because of the tokenomics and the burns and the anti whale prevention. But yes, I will be updating y'all guys tomorrow to show y'all the APRs that we will get. Very excited for the Astral to the Rat Phantom for the Astral Farms, and I'm very excited for the USDC Astral Pool as well. I'm pretty sure those ones I'll be investing in. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.